Yeah, good morning, Tim here from R&HEngineering. Today we're working on some tipper utes for a client who wanted a ute because they travel better on the road and they wanted to put a tipping tray on the back. These utes came as a rolling chassis. There was no trays on the back. We fabricated a frame, sent them for galvanizing. We've got custom-made mud guards. We're fitting utility toolboxes. So the aluminium toolbox will slide in here on these angle channels and will be bolted in. We've got an electric hydraulic power pack here running the hydraulics for the tipping action. We're building up basically a big box on the back here. So a build like this usually takes, well, the assembly work is taking about 3 days for 2 guys. A full build from scratch is probably going to take you 2 to 3 weeks, maybe 4 depending on galvanizing. If you're looking for a custom tipper ute or a tipping vehicle of any kind, get in touch with us at R&HEngineering.